Did you know you can make money as a WordPress developer without dealing with clients directly? No need for you to chase projects up and down or even handle difficult revisions. In this video, I will show you 6 proven ways to make money with WordPress online, even if you do not want to work with clients directly. Hi, it's me, Okemuti for Your Tech Savvy, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money online as a WordPress developer. So, if you're a WordPress developer, you want to draw your seat closer, have your popcorn, and let's have a ride. Before now, people usually think that it's just building websites. You need to be building website every single day for you to make money. No, times have changed. A lot of things have changed, and it's no longer that usual method of building website every day that can generate money for you. Now there are different streams of income you can actually generate if you are a WordPress developer. So let me show you the various methods you can actually make money if you are a WordPress developer. And number 5 is actually my favorite because that's one of the things I've been doing for quite a long time now. And I don't know if you want to adopt that number 5, then watch to the end. So first things first, you might want to ask why WordPress. But the truth is, WordPress powers over 40% of websites worldwide, which actually makes it a great tool for any online income. So most of the websites you see on the internet today, if you check them, they are all WordPress. Even the ones that they do not want people to know that this website is built with WordPress, you will still find a way to find out that this website was built with WordPress. So WordPress is a great tool if you know how to use it very, very well. Now, method one is you need to sell WordPress themes and templates. So if you're somebody who have the knowledge of creating themes and templates, you can actually sell these themes and templates. So do not let that particular knowledge you have to slide away. Even if you do not have the knowledge now, you can still learn this particular skill. Okay, you can learn how to build WordPress themes and templates. That is why when you go to WordPress, you want to build a simple website, you will see that there are free themes and there are premium themes. So these themes that are premium or even free, you can actually make them and sell them at different prices or any price of your choice on different markets. Okay, like you have Team Forest, you have Creative Market, and so many other platforms that you can sell these particular themes and templates that you have created. Okay, so this is one of the ways to make money as a WordPress developer aside from building websites every single day. Now let's move to the next one. Method 2 is selling WordPress plugins. You will agree with me that there are some plugins that you want to make use of, and they will tell you that certain features in that plugins are not free. These are one of the ways these plugin developers make money. So you might want to consider knowing how to build WordPress plugins and selling them. Okay, you can learn how to build and sell them on different markets as well, such as Code Canyon and subscription model. You might want to check this website out and see how they function. So what you need to do is to have a knowledge of building this WordPress plugin from the scratch and then uploading them to platforms that can help you sell them to different markets. So it's not like you're restricted to a particular region for your selling of plugins. So you can go to international platforms like this Code Canyon that I mentioned and other ones that you are going to find out in your own search. So you can make money from selling WordPress plugin. Trust me. Now, another method is through affiliate marketing with WordPress. So do you know that you can actually promote some of these hosting companies, some of these themes, some of these plugins through content marketing and you can get paid by it. Now let me show you how this thing is done. If you go to some website, you will agree with me that you will see a particular link or a particular picture of any of these pictures you're seeing on my screen now on some of the contents you're going to be reading on those blogs. And when you click on them, it will take you to those websites. So peradventure you are looking for a hosting or you're looking for a domain, you're looking to get a particular plugin, that particular site you clicked on, if you get any of their features, let's say you buy a hosting plan from Bluehost because you clicked on a link on a particular blog post you were reading that took you to Bluehost, the person who actually put in that link is going to make some money. That is the person is going to get a commission by promoting that particular brand to you. All right, so it is by that means you have to make money, which is called affiliate marketing. So you do a kind of a promotion from them and then you get a particular percentage. So when somebody gets a product of $100, let's say $5 is going to come to you. That is affiliate marketing. So you earn by promoting somebody's work through content marketing. So that simply means you're going to be a good writer. You're going to have a way to persuade people. You're going to write about certain products or certain features of a particular product. Let's say HostGator has a particular feature that you love so much and you want to talk about it. And at the end of the content, you impute your affiliate link. So whenever somebody clicks on that link and gets or purchase anything from that particular platform, you have a percentage coming to you. The fourth method is you starting a WordPress blog. So this simply means you're going to start your own personal blog, and then if you are consistent enough, you're going to get monetized by Google. So Google will start displaying adverts on your site. Aside from that, other companies can reach out to you and say, oh, please, we want to advertise on your site because they've seen the traffic that your website have. They've seen the traffic that your blog has. So they can actually reach out to you and say we want to place an advert, just like you have Linda Ikeji, you have Naija Loaded and other international platforms. Okay, Google display ads on their website and brands also reach out to them to display advert on their site, and then they charge a specific amount for those services that they render. Another thing is you can, aside from monetize with ads, affiliate links, you can also sell digital products like ebooks, your courses. Okay, so if you have digital products, you have any ebook you want to sell and courses, you can also put them on your site. You can also put them on the WordPress blog. You can also affiliate them, put them on the WordPress blog so that when people are reading about a particular product, a particular feature, you have your courses, your ebooks linked to that particular product or that particular post your blog is talking about. I hope you understand. Now let's move to the next one, which is actually my favorite. You can sell a WordPress online course. Now, teach WordPress skills and sell courses on Udemy, Teachable, or your own platform. One of the things I do here is I sell my courses on my own website. You can see the first picture you see here, which says start learning the skills that pays today. This is my own personal website. And what I do here is to sell my courses. So I found a way to create a learning management system that is an LMS website. So when people buy my courses, they come back here to the website to read. They come back to the website to watch the videos, the tutorials that I already made. And you can see now that I don't just make money from building websites, okay? I make money from selling the knowledge I have on WordPress. I've recorded the courses, I've recorded the various stages on how to get started with WordPress, how to build a WordPress website, how to build an e-commerce website, different types of website. I've recorded a video on them and I uploaded them in a manner that you're going to find it really interesting to understand from step by step. Okay, so you can sell your knowledge if you know WordPress very well. You can sell it as a skill and make people to buy this course by talking about them, running adverts on them. So that way you get to bring in more traffic to your website. So you can see my website is very simple, straight to point. There's no too much menus, just my courses, sign up, and then my blog. So you can see even on my blogs, when I blog about a particular topic, I also find a way to include the links to my courses. That way, I do not want you to go out. You come back to the site and you want to read and also get the courses. I hope you understand. So there are other platforms that you can actually sell your courses, your WordPress online courses. There is this particular website that is here. There is Teachable, there is other ones. There are so many of them. If you do not want to sell on those platforms, that is when you now have to create your own platform to sell your own courses, because some of these platforms they charge a particular fee for you to register, and then they also take a certain percentage for you to maybe peradventure you made a sale, there's a particular percentage that is going to them. Okay, so that is how it is. So remember, I told you number five is actually my favorite. So that way you get to enjoy the supremacy of how you want your site to run. Okay, so number six is you can flip WordPress website. You can buy, improve, and sell websites on platforms like Flipper for profit. This simply means you can build a particular website, grow its traffic and income, then you can sell it 10 times or even 50 times its monthly revenue. So let's say for example your website is generating a revenue of $100. You can sell that particular website for $1,000. You can see now that the money has doubled or it has increased, it has increased greatly because it is worth it, because there are people who are out there who want to buy websites that are already been built, that are already doing well. They don't want to start from the scratch. So if you have that patience, if you can build a website and grow its traffic and income, then you can sell it and make more money. You don't need to be building just website for you to make money. So I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So example is a blog that is making $500 a month from ads and affiliate can sell for $10,000. That is a whole lot of money. But then you have to do the work. You have to build the site. You have to grow it. You have to increase the income. That way you can have an upper hand when you are selling on platforms like Flipper and the rest of them. I hope you understand, guys. So these are some of the ways you can actually make money aside from building WordPress website every single day of your life. So remember, number five is my favorite, and I will also recommend it to you. So if you're someone who is looking forward to building WordPress website, you want to learn WordPress as a skill this 2025, then send me a message or comment in the comment section and say, I want to learn, and I will give you a discount. I'm going to give you a promo code that you will use when buying on my website. So that way you get to save some money when buying. All right. So bonus tip for success, you need to stay updated with trends, use SEO strategies and diversify your income streams. See, let me tell you something. You are not supposed to be making money from just one place. So let's say, for example, you know how to make bags. You shouldn't be making money from only how to make bags. You should be making money from teaching people how to make bags. You should be making money from showing people where to get materials for bags. You should be making money from selling bag items, bag materials, those things they need for making bags. You can make money from them. So that is how, or what I mean by, you need to diversify your income streams. You need to stay updated with trends. You need to use SEO strategies. It's not just by building websites. There are other ways you can make money, which I have shared in this video. So if you watch to this particular end, send me a message if you want to learn how to build websites using WordPress. You want to know what WordPress is really all about, and I will give you a discount code for you to earn more while learning. Is that okay? So, which of these methods are you going to be trying first? So let me know in the comment section or reach out for guidance.